Hello friends, today the topic of introduction of computer network. In a computer network there are four main parts. It is a main monitor, keyboard, mouse and the CPU. Then that CPU you have to connected number of computer networks. This is you have to learn about the computer network. In a computer network there are two main contents. First one introduction to computer network and second one evolution of networking. What is the evolution? You have to evaluate the network of the structure device 1 and the device 2. There are one client and the one server is the network to connected each other. Here, introduction of computer network. We are living in a connected world. Living in a connected world. Here, number of peoples is a number of people or the users are interconnected in a system and that system is connected to the world. Information is being produced, exchanged and traced across the globe in real time. Globe, it's a globalization. You have to trace means a single person. This is the you can consider here one user. There are one user is the first user and that first user you have to sending the information or the mail or images. Uh, you can consider that people you have to sending a mail or the images for the another person and you have to interconnect it to number of users and it is a possible to all these things connected to the computer network. It's possible as almost everyone. What is almost everyone? Everything in the digital world. Everything in a digital world is interconnected through one way or the other way. It is interconnected one way or the other way to the performing of the network. Performing on the network. It is an introduce the computer network world, digital world. What is digital world? And everyone and everything you have to possible in only interconnected to the each other. Here interconnection forming a social network. This is the social network. Like a user you can connect for the Facebook. Users has connected to the WhatsApps. Users is connected to the network. Users has connected to the mobile connectivity. That number of people is interconnected to the connected in each other. It's a system. In this slide you can see the number of networks like everybody a group of two or more similar things where two or the more similar things. This is the number of the peoples like people as a user and that users it can use a social media or the mobile technologies or the current network technologies. You can use a interconnected with each other. This is called as network. A group of two or more similar things or the people interconnected with each other and is called as network. Some of the examples of the network in our everyday life introduced. It includes every day you have to use in some of the examples like a social network, mobile network, network of the computers, network. Some of the examples of the network in every day life. It includes the social network, mobile network, and the network of the computers. It is an airlines or the railways, banks, hospitals, and the networks. These some examples you have to get here. Airlines. In airlines you have to use for the number of networks is interconnected to each other. Railway, this is also best example. You have to live example in a system. In a banks and the hospital, it is also used in a computer network very strongly. Here introduce of the, here in this diagram you have to use in a networking device. You can use here a router is the system, and this router you have to interconnected at a number of system like a printer, tablet, using a smartphones, using a PC, personal computers. Also you have to use for the laptop. This is number of users you have to connected in the system. A computer network is an interconnection among two or more computers or computing devices. This is the two or more computers is connected interconnection between each other, and the network device is strongly networks is using a number of users. Such interconnections, it allows the computers to share the data. Such a interconnection, it allows the computers and to share the data, and it resources among each other. It resources among each other. A basic network may connect a few computer. It plays in a room. It plays in a room. It is an a computer. Introduction of computer network to be introducing a network device, and that network device it could be used as a introduction of computer network and networking device in the form of the devices to the interconnection of computing devices, or the more computers is connected to each other. In this slide you have to learn the more devices like a computer, smartphones, tablets, printers, laptops. Also you have to attach this network device you can use for the speakers, headphones. That types of the technologies you have to place in a computer network. In this slide you have to learn introduction of computer network. The network size may vary from small to large depending on the number of computers is connected. That means you have to network size. The network size is very strong and it has to connect it vary from small also large depending on the computers. It interconnects a one type of the system. This computer, a computer network can include a different types of the host. Different types of host, this is also called as nodes, like a server, desktop, laptop, and the cellular phones. The types of the example is given to interconnected in a different types of the host. Next, apart from the computer means the computers networks, and it include interworking devices like a switch, router, and the modem, etc. In this point you have to learn the number of computers is interconnected to the networks, and that networks is a networking device like a switch, router, and modem. The networking devices are used to connect multiple computers. It connects to multiple computers. In a multiple computers, the networking devices are used. Use is the applied for number of interconnected multiple computers. You can use for the number of computers like get here, like there are 10 PCs. You can consider there 10 PCs, and then 10 PCs is connected, interconnected to the main server, and that communications of the data in a network is divided into smaller chunks called packets. The networking devices are used to connect multiple computers, and that computers is the different settings. What is the settings? You have to different PC, it gives the different setting. Then consider one server PC and one client PC, and that the data you have to send a communication between two PCs. Communication between two PCs, you have to sending the data or the packet, and that system is known as using a data in a network is divided into a smaller chunks called as packets. These packets are then carried over a network. These packets carried These packets are then carried over a network, and this network is a system on the PC in the form of networking devices are used to connect multiple computers in a different settings. That communications is a packet, and these packets are then carried out over a network. These packets is carried out a network. You can use as a network from the packet. These devices in a network can be connected either through wired media like a cable and wireless media like a air. It is here the networks form including the switch, router and the modem devices using computers and its networks. In, the, in this slide, you use in a communication network each device that is part of a network and that can receive, create and store or send the data to different network routers is called as node. A communication between, in this point you have to discuss the communication network, and that network is a device. That device is the part of the network. You can create here or send the data to receive, create a file, store the data or send the data in a different format, and that different networks as the routes is called as node. In the context of the data communication, a node can be device such as the modem. The node is, what is meant by node? Node, you have to receive the data, create a data and send the data to different format. In the form of the data you have to use in a data communication between the network. The digital telephone handset, you have to use here the hub, bridge, switch, router, digital telephone handset, a printer, a computer or a server. In a context of data communication, a node can be device. That nodes you have to use in a different networks or the routers. It is known as the modem, and that modem is using a different hub, bridges, switches, router, digital telephone handset, printer and the computer. This is computer or the server. This is the communication, data communication or the modem you have to use in a different switches. The interconnectivity of computing device In a network, it allows to exchange the information simultaneously. You can exchange means a change a device, interconnectivity of computing device in a network. It to us allows us to exchange the information simultaneously with many parties through the mail, websites, audio video calls. These networks is sharing of the resources. This is the best applicable network computing device in a network. It allows us to exchange the information. Exchange the information, you can here send the mail from one person to another person, or also known as you have to send the data in a client to server, or the you can create a website sending the data website. Audio video calls, you have to record that their system. Network allows to sharing the resources from one person to another person. This is known as the interconnectivity of the computing device in a network. Here it gives the best example. A printer can be made available to multiple computers. One printer you have to use or made available to multiple computers through a network. This is the best example. You have to use a computing device in a network. One printer, and that printer is a setting with multiple computers, and that networks you have to strongly accessible that, then the network storage can be accessed by multiple computers. The people obtain or connect their device. The people obtain and connect their devices through the hotspots means people obtain or connect their device through the hotspots. This you can use for your smartphone, and that smartphone's network, internet network, you can use for the hotspot, and the multiple system or the multiple computer devices you can connect the system. This forming a small personal network. This is forming a small but personal network. In this slide, you have to learn about the evolution of networking. Networking evolution or the histories of computer network. In the year of 1960, a research project was commissioned by Advanced Research Project Agency Network ARPANET Advanced Research Project Agency Network ARPANET ARPANET Advanced Project Agency Network in the US Department of the Defense to connect the academic and the research institutions located at different places for the scientific collaboration in a year of 1960. And that project laboratory you have to search the research data, and he have to plan that agency Advanced Research Project Agency Network in a US Department of the Defense. You have to connect the system of academic as well as research institutions located at a different places, and the system of the interconnected to the scientific collaboration with institute and the different places. The first message was communicated between the University of California. You have to send the first message. In that year 1960, you have to send the first message of the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, and the Stanford Research Institute, SRI. Stanford Research Institute. It slowly but gradually more and more organizations join the ARPANET. If Slowly that organization and but gradually it increased the organization of institutes and the different institutions located at a different places. You have to join the ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. The join from the different institutes institution and many independent smaller networks and many independent smaller networks where it forms to the network. Where it's from the network, you have to establish the network. Of few of the milestones in the magnificent journey of evolution of computer networks is depicted in the timeline. Yes, this is most important. You have to use a computer network journey. You have to start it in 1960 and is depicted in the timeline, means a journey of evolution. You have to start here. After that, here in this slide, here the serial number and here the number years. You have to get the serial number, years and its descriptions. In the PALNet, you have to use for the evolution or the journey of computer network in a first year 1961. And that 1961, the idea of Advanced Research Project ARPANET is conceptualized. You have to conceptualize the idea of 1961 ARPANET. In second year of 1969, ARPANET became functional by connecting UCLA and SRI. UCLA is the agency of the loose angles. Loose angles known as the UCLA. Communicated between the University of California UCLA, Los Angeles University of California, and the SRI is the Stanford Research Institute, and these two institutes is the functioning and the connecting between the computer network of 1969, year of the 1969 of the ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Next, third number, in the 1971, in the year of 1971, the raw Thomas Linson develops the network messaging or the email, and its a symbol is at, comes at, mean at. This is the at. You have to symbolic representation is developing the network messaging in 1971. In the year of 1974, the term of internet in 1974, term of internet was coined, and the first commercial uses of ARPANET was started in the name of telnet. That telnet you have to establish in 1974. You can use for the through the internet was coined the first commercial use. Then year of 1982, in the number of fifth year of 1982, and here the evolution of TCP IP protocol is introduced. Transport Control Protocol and its internet protocols, it stands from the ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network, through the 1982. In the year of 1963, you have to first domain name system is introduced. That means you have to introduce in DNS system for the year of 1983. The next point is 1986. It's a National Science Foundation brings a connectivity to more people with its NS NSF NET program, National Science Foundation, and that he brings connectivity to more people in the year of 1986, and that programs is introduced more people, number of people is that the connectivity of the National Science Foundation. In the point number 8, in the year of 1990, the Berners-Lee at CRN is developed a computer network through the HTML and the URL. HTML and the URL, thus giving the birth to World Wide Web. In a year of 1990, the Berners-Lee have to develop HTML and the URL. It's a starting of the year of 90. It's a birth of World Wide Web, WWW. In the number of 9th year of 1997, first version of Wi-Fi. It introduced here or developed their first version of Wi-Fi, and that the Wi-Fi is IEEE 802.11. This is the standard introduced function of the year of 1997, and after that 2002 to 2004 the Web 2.0 is born, and still today's the latest technology you have to develop the current of the related in advanced computer network or the HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, MTQQ. These the current technologies of the year of 2021. This is the evolution of the computer networks in today's technologies is developing under the ARPANET Advanced Research Project Agency network, and that networks is strongly network communicated or interconnectivity between or all over countries is the network is strongly network is connected between the number of peoples. Okay, here, thank you, take care, bye bye.